As the world's largest filler master batch manufacturer, EuP is always on the lookout for new opportunities, striving to expand its market presence. Recognizing the potential in the Egyptian and African markets, EuP made the strategic decision to kick off the construction of a substantial 35,000 square meter plant in CPC Sadat Industrial Park, Menofia, Egypt. Breaking ground in mid-2023, and after nearly half a year of unwavering dedication from the EuP Egypt team, the factory was officially up and running by January 2024. Featuring 24 production lines equipped with cutting-edge German technology, the facility boasts an impressive annual production capacity of around 120,000 tons. Filler Master Batch will be our flagship product. Besides that, the plant also offers a diverse range of EuP's distinctive products, including Color Master Batch, Plastic Additive, Compound, Biofiller, and Bioplastic Compound to meet the diverse customer demands. Backed by robust infrastructure, advanced technology, and industry expertise, EuP Egypt is committed to gradually making its mark not only in the Egyptian and African markets, but also setting its sights on significant expansion into the European market in the years ahead. Offering top-notch products at competitive prices, EuP Egypt is ready to meet the diverse and sizable demands of global markets.